good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poland. So today I'm gonna take you to another district in Poznan, Poland. It's called Lazars, something like that. So yeah, first of all I will take you to the Rynek, which is market, and then I read that from the internet this Rynek is just republished into the modern one. And the funny thing is that most in the Google review they said that the Rynek is just like the UFO landing there. Interesting. So let's see what does the people here mean by the UFO is landing here. We're taking the tram number 11 from Yesice, and look at the building behind me, the architecture. It's colorful, and I think this one is just brand new and republished. And this one is the traffic situation on the first day of the week, which is Monday. So yeah, now I will take you to the Rynek Lazarski over there. Look at this. This one is actually the exhibition of the republishment of the Lazars. So this one is the Lazars district. So look at this one. Yes, we are in Lazars, and this one, look at the apartment behind me. Like Damian always said, this is a Komi block, which is the apartment that built during the communism era. And look at the buildings around. And I think this one is just like the exhibition of the Lazars district, right? And in front of me is basically the playground, the children playground, and behind me that's the another building that just on progress of renovation. So let's go there. That's what people said, the UFO landing. Let's go. Wow, look at this fountain. It's interesting concept of the fountain. Wow, so we are in the Rynek Lazarski. Rynek means market. This is how actually the situation. They said they just republished, which is brand new one, and that's the park. So yeah, let's see what they sell. Even they have a ice cream shop over there. Look at this beautiful fountain behind me. This is look like a dandelion fountain. Nice. And behind me, the market. Look at the size and the look. People joking like this is look like a UFO landing in the middle of Lazars district. So let's go there. So as usual, the traditional market, they sell the fresh product like this one, oburki and cherries, strawberries, something like that. Let's stroll around. See, people are on kiwi, maybe buying the strawberries and cherry. And they sell the fresh apple and tomatoes, cauliflower, this one. So many fresh things. Yes, fruits and vegetable. That's it basically. And some of the shop, and look at the building construction, and in the middle is the hall. I wonder that if it is raining, maybe the rain will come through. And this one is another traditional fresh vegetables and fruit, something like that. And that's the clothes shop. And this one looks empty, maybe because I come a bit late. So that's it basically. And that is the bakery shop. Look at this, the marigold flowers. They sell the clothes. Another clothes shop. Yeah. That's it. That's it. So I decided to buy this one, spring onion, tomato, and look at this one. So many fresh strawberries and cherries. This one. So nice. This is my shopping. I bought tomato, onion, and ogurki. And look at this beautiful flower in front of me. And look at this apartment in front of me. If you can see from the year on the top, here is 1911. It's quite old building. So now let's stroll around, explore the area of Rynek Lazarski. So yeah, now I understand what the people said, like this look like UFO landing here. So from the look, it's just like this. Take you to stroll around the area and explore the architecture of the apartment building in front of me. Wow, look at this. I think that there is so many brand new one that refurbished from the look outside, but still the door and the architectures so cute, impressive. Lazars district. This is how it looks. It's not I don't know, maybe the feeling what I feel is not like as busy, and it's not like as trendy as Yesice. You know, in Yesice there are so many nice restaurants, trendy, but yeah, it's still good to explore and see something different, right? Than Yesice every day. So at least that I learn something new every single day in my life, explore you know, different places, even still in Poznan, but different district has a different vibe. Look at this door and architecture, and that's also in the front. I think that I need to go to one coffee shop that's close by here, and yeah, what should I say then? It's nice district, but yeah, I prefer Yesice. Again to the Rynek Lazarski. I think that I need to find a coffee shop. That's the meat shop, and I think this one is the coffee shop. Let's go inside. Nice flower outside. I found nice coffee shop with the poncek, donut poncek. Actually, it's called Pancus i Kawusha. So I bought the poncek with the sernik and blueberry and hot cappuccino. Cost me 28 zloty. And look at the place. Wow. It looks like a luxury place, right? The lighting, gold, and that's the price of the hot cappuccino. And look at this, very nice. So inside the poncek, which is donut, this one is sernik and blueberry. Looks so good, and the taste also so good. Oh, look at the decor, very nice. And then here is the poncek. And I like this one. I bought this one. This is just like cheesecake blueberry. So nice. I'll show you the ambience. And they have a very nice decor. Like this. Like this. Like this. And I like the tree. And they have a nice decor like this. Overviewing that one. And this one is just like this. Very nice. Oh, I really like it. Look at the rose garden here. I think this one slowly gonna the rose already almost finished the season, like what I see. But very nice. Clean market. So let's go somewhere where there is the park. Look at this one. In my personal opinion is that this Rynek Lazarski is actually the traditional market, but it is more modernized. But still the sellers there, they are, you know, traditionally. And behind me the nice children playground. But what I can see that it is nice, but I prefer Rynek Yesice more. I don't know, I like the traditional market that is wet and that is authentic traditional market. You know what I mean, like very traditional one. So let's keep walking and let's see if there is a park surrounded by here. So we are going to the main street where the tram and where the traffic. Basically, we were there in Rynek Lazarski, and let's keep walking and exploring, and let's see where is the park here. I mean, like big park. Walking and walking, many nice bakery shop, and in front of me seems like a nice park. Let's go and explore that park. See, few meters you walk, already nice park. Let's go. Look at the building in front of me, the red brick one with the clock tower on the top. And now we arrive in why nice park. Let's get inside. I don't know why I feel like I'm familiar with this park. I think that I know this park, but let's go. This school of birds. Ooh, they're coming to me. Ooh, wow. Look at this. Look at that school of birds and duck. They're getting closer to me. Hello, buddies. Ooh, they're flying, coming to me. Ooh, yay, look at you. I think that I know this place. Yes, this one is actually Park Wilsona. I was here. Seems so familiar. So nice. Look at you. This is what I really like to walk here in Poznan, Poland. Wherever you go, few meters already park. Wow, I'm so happy. I was skeptic already, you know, when I was in the Rynek. It's just like all the beton building, concrete building. I feel like I need to find out the park. Here we are. I found it. Very nice. Yay! Look at this. The ducks coming, getting closer. Ducks, fountain, green park. This is what I like. And the sound of the birds and nature. So beautiful. Look at the birds over there. It's very nice. Look at this beautiful waterfall. Very nice. And the pine trees. And look at this. Very nice. Look at this beautiful yellow flowers. It is pity that the fountain in the middle there is no water. But yeah, that's in front of me, the Palmiernia. I know where I am. Beautiful. Look at this statue. And the beautiful flower, the rose garden in front of me. The green trees. Very nice. Right, I think that's all my video today, guys. It's very nice to find you know, a nice park close by the Rynek Lazarski. But yeah, it's very nice, green, and the rose flowers behind me is blooming, and behind me over there is the Palmiernia. I think that once we were already there. So yeah, I think that's all my video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Oh, beautiful. I really like the sound of the birds. Nice. And people cycling. Go home. We will take a bus number 164 and then we will go there to Kościelna. Very nice.